Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges and we already had asked 23 challenges. And in this video we are going to discuss about 24th challenge. And we are really impressed with your participation in this DigiThon event and thank you so much for making it a grand success. Now without wasting much time, let us get started and see our next challenge. Friends, the challenge is on your screen. It's a bit simple challenge where you have to design a counter. We should count like 0, 1, 3, 2 instead of 0, 1, 2, 3 and then roll back to 0, 1, 2, 3. Here you have to count 0, 1, 3, 2. Again roll back to 0, 1, 3, 2. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. Most probably you will get its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section and we will discuss it there. Otherwise, I will reveal its answer. And I hope that you are enjoying this DigiThon video series. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and write your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get a notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.